Okay then, so we're in the stealth room. So the first thing we noticed, taking a pit stop, do not disturb. Wow. So Amity Speedway, wow, and attitude 205. So as we know, with stealth it had to be increased with speed to get it over the top, because if it hadn't been increased with speed, then it wouldn't have gone over the top. So yeah, sleek motors, 80 miles an hour, 1.8 seconds. First race here on the 15th March 06 in association with Brake King. Superior choice, sleek motor oil. Now it's sort of like looks on camera, it's sort of like got like a crack sort of look, but it hasn't got a crack, but it's just the actual crack effect to it, but it does look nice. So again, got a double bed and a bunk bed. Again, all with the racing effect. So in here, Brake King, superior choice, WWTP, the only radio station you need, slick motor oil, the slippery stuff. Again, on here, smoking fires for the best skid marks ever, and then your age restriction. So in here we've kind of got normal cups, but it's black, so that would kind of go with speed.
Waiting for the stealth ones.
Waiting for the stealth one. Okay, so we've got the coffee machine again, with hot chocolate and with different pods as well. So let's go into the bathroom. So in the bathroom, first thing we notice is there's toiletries, being shower gel and conditioner, walk-in shower. Oh wow, look at this. Wow, that's so amazing. Wow. And then the logo as well. I do like that. That is amazing. So yeah. That is really good. I'm not sure at the moment which one I like best, whether I like the first one or whether I like this stealth. But anyway, on to the next one.